Right guys, so we are in on a very, very early bank holiday weekend and we are going to be off to Manston Raceway down in Sandwich. And I had to think about that for a minute because I nearly said Santa Pod. We're not off to Santa Pod, we are off to the Kent equivalent of Santa Pod, and that is Manston Raceway. I've never been there before, but I have driven past it. So we are going to be supporting the cause, and I'm going to bring you the footage of the event. Now, the problem we've got, guys, do I brake left, which is your right, or do I brake right, which is your left? Now, we have got the Focus, but we have got the Volvo. Where do we go, people? I think we've got to take the Volvo. We've got to take the Volvo, haven't we? So, plan is, we're going to get down there. I think gates open at 8 o'clock. Racing is from 9 o'clock. We are not taking this on the track because we are out in Belgium at the GR8 show in a couple of weeks. So if I start taking this down the track, we are going to break it. So, let's get this started up. Let's get down to Sandwich. Right, so we are approaching where we need to be. So we need to be in here. And to the next roundabout, we're going to go right. And then into the airport.
It sounds very strange. There you go, look, got
Thank
you
you,
and
darling.
Ollie just there.
Oh, wow. What did you say, Josh? Lovely.
That
Thank you,
one's
darling.
for you. Do you need a hand or you're right, get it on?
All good, yeah, all
what
good.
I'll do, I'll get you to park up at the top. Can you see where the
Yeah.
little Toyota is? Just up there.
Lovely,
Park up
thank
there.
you. Well, we have arrived, people. We have arrived. Let's see what the racing's all about, Josh, shall we? It's going to be good. You got a lolly. We've had Starbucks. And let's go and see what the racing's about, shall we?
But you would run those food stays.
Oh no, do you know what? I wish I was racing, didn't you? Would that be good if we were racing?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Right, well, we have just arrived at Manston Raceway. And it is already very, very windy down here, as you would expect from a raceway. So it looks like we've got them all lining up. 10 o'clock, it's just 10 o'clock now, so the racing is just about to start. I can see bikes, we've got hot rods, we've got people camping down here. Let's take a walk down. I have got the Ray-Bans as well, so if we can capture anything unsuspecting that we might not have had the gimbal with us. But you can see that we've got the airstrip just in front of us here. Can you see this? We've parked at the back of the airfield. There's some bikes. There's an overlander. Check how cool that is. Can you see that? We've got like an overlander lorry where people are staying, which looks absolutely epic. It looks like we've got some food there as well. So we'll be getting a quick snack. The boys going, yes, Dad, we want a snack. But I can already see lots of American muscle cars. There's some sort of rat rod stuff going on. We've got a few JDM cars, which we'll go and have a look. But it's going to be really interesting to see, because it's not very expensive. Like kids, I think kids under 10 are free. It's £20 for an adult and £10 for kids under 14. So, and I think the week to go racing here today, unlimited runs is £40, and it's in Kent, so it's nice and easy. That is stunning.
And I have no helmet.
Look at that. V6, is it? V6? No, V8. That's got a V8 in that. Wow. That is lovely. Have a look at that Cosworth turbo engine.
Well, the time is 12:32. We will be running into a 1 hour lunch break. Some of our crew will be very glad of that after all the excitement we had last night. And this morning with the timing system and that unfortunate oil down in the start line area. And during lunchtime is when all of our drivers can come down to the signing on office. Let's talk about that in a minute.
And then we've got an outlaw. Look at this, Josh.
Look at that helmet. Look at that helmet, Dad.
Josh, have you seen the NOS bottle in the back?
Yeah.
That is insane. I like the colour of that as well. It's like Lamborghini orange.
That is a wonderful ending coming out.
But look at this. Have a look at this. Wowzers. Look at that, Josh. It's a beast, isn't it?
You know you're doing my missus.
Yeah, we'll cut that out the camera. We'll cut that out. Love it. God, look at this thing. Have a look at that. Look at the air horns. That'll wake you up in the morning, won't it? Woo!
Big on that one.
Look at that.
And look at this one.
Look at the old trans brake in there.
Dad, look at that helmet.
I know.
It's going to be interesting because that GTR, he's back again, but he's up against W. So here we have two opposite ends of the performance spectrum. Everything in the left-hand lane, including traction control. But Dave, being the seasoned campaigner, and how can we put it? Well, he's an older gentleman who's been drag racing for many years, so he should have. I've not seen who's driving in the left-hand lane, but I'm guessing if experience of leaving a drag racing start line, it's all in Dave's favour. Either way, this is interesting and it could well be exciting. So up on the rev limiter in the left-hand lane. Maybe he just doesn't care.
180 in the right lane against a 178.60 in the left.
Look what we got over here, Josh. We got some more over here. I do like that DC5 in Championship White that's just come in.
When they're exhausted, they'll warm their arms.
What do you think we've got over here? And we all know that I love a Mitsubishi Evo, and just look at this vehicle. This vehicle is running a billet block, and you'll see in the next clip how fast this Evo actually was.
He doesn't work for a living.
I'm going to lend you some nitrile gloves.
No, I tried to get him to wear gloves.
I know, Lucian has found a sweet spot.
Right, as you can see, people, it is absolutely blowing a gale down here. It must be doing 35-mile-an-hour winds, but it hasn't stopped everyone from taking part. We've got GTRs, we've got BMWs, we've got Evos, we've got the American Muscles, we have got Hot Rods. And guys, it's £20 per adult, £10 for kids, and kids under 10 are completely free. So this is an absolute bargain, people. Anyway, we're going to get back to the racing. I'll bring you some footage of this. That GTR though over there, can you see it? Is special. And we've got the American Muscle here, making all of the noise.
And we'll be at 1 and 2 o'clock. So make your way. As I said, we'll be at Competitions down to
Down there in the right-hand lane. So Chris had a slight delay going into second gear. He's run at 10.40 at 130 with the Indian bikes. They're at the top end of the car. We've got Hell's Bells with their clothing range. Look at that, Chris with upcycled art. Very clean getaway up. Perfect launch in the right hand. What I mean, because we had a couple of incidents where I'm not sure where the other car was. So just be aware as you're merging. Open practice at the moment.
Right guys, so that is us for today. We are going to go now, we're going to get back. We've got a roast dinner today and then we are on to building the car, the Volvo, ready for our trip to Belgium in a couple of weeks' time. So, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and keep up with what we got up to next.